wrapped around everyone on earth. I can read clouds, rain, and the wind. I can be an ice storm. Without me, you are free. Every day, I am the breath you take in. Yet you are making me sick. I am congested, off balance, polluted. You see, I am more dedicated than you think. It took billions of years to get it just right. My perfect mix of gases, temperature, and weather that you enjoy. But now your cars, your factories, and dust, they have pushed me past the limit. And you wonder why my typhoons and tornadoes are more intense, more frequent. They have become unpredictable. Less rain here, a lot more rain there. Hotter summers, colder winters. Can't even control myself anymore. Enough about me. I'll show my change out to you in your days ahead. In the end, I'll be fine. Give me a few thousand years. I have weathered trauma before. I'm not worried for myself.